Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make Instagram account private. And here's how it is done. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Click on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen to access your personal profile. Tap the three lines menu icon in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Account Privacy section and tap on it. Toggle on the Private Account option. Your account will now be private. Notes for professional or creator accounts. If you have a creator account, it cannot be made private. To switch a professional account to private, open Creator Tools and Controls from the menu. Scroll down and select Switch Account Type. Choose Personal Account to revert to a personal account. Once switch, repeat the steps above to make the account private. Benefits of a private account. Making your account private allows you to control who sees your post, and followers must request permission to follow you. That is everything you need to know about how to make Instagram account private. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.